Good afternoon and welcome to another Toyota Celica video, my 1991 Toyota Celica GT. And in this video we're going to be replacing the air intake boot. So, as you may have seen in a previous video, the air intake boot had split, and I tried patching it up with tape, but I thought that's never going to be a lasting repair. And following the success of the same job on the BMW, I thought that could well be the cause of the lack of power. You know, from getting too much air in, and I was getting similar symptoms on BMW, so I had to search around. Couldn't find the part for love or money in this country, and it's discontinued over here by Toyota, so getting one from the dealers wasn't an option. So did a bit of a Google search, and this company, Ningun, appear to have it in stock. And as you see, there's the part number, because I did check it on the Toyota parts catalogue. So I ordered it about a month ago, and it's finally here, so you get an unboxing video as well. So I'll just set you up, and then we can do the unboxing. Oh, in case you haven't worked it out, I obviously had to import this from Japan. It cost me, total including the postage, about 7,000. That's Japanese yen, not pounds. It works out, I think it's about 50 quid or thereabouts, so there's about 140 yen to the pound at the moment. Obviously that'll change from day to day, but that's roughly how much it is. Anyway, let's get this thing unboxed. Right, got a trusty folding knife. Let's get this thing opened. And need to be careful you don't just dig in too deeply with the knife. Just nick it at the top like so, he says, hopefully. There we go. And let's see what our 7,000 yen got me. Well, not my 7,000 yen got me. Bought it all the way from Japan. Oh, there we go. Oh, now that's promising. Oh, genuine Toyota part. There's a part number, and this is the part what fits the 5th generation Celica with the 2-litre 3SGE engine, not the 4-wheel drive. That's a GT4. Mine's just a GT, but it's a similar engine, except that it's not turbocharged. So it even comes with the clips for the various. So I think that's where the resonator fits. Anyway, we'll get this out to the car and we'll get this fitted. So here's the old intake boot, which is going to have to come off. So shouldn't be too hard to take off, apart from the hoses. But I'll get that off. Stick you guys on time lapse. Right, so these are all 10mm. Got 10mm for resonator. Screwdriver. I'm back with the screwdriver, so should be able to get this off now. There we go. That'll save me a bit of time. As you can see that. I'll just pull this tape off. There's no way that we're going to seal. Here's our new part. Genuine Toyota part. And we'll put them next to each other. You can see they are the same, so that's all good. Just need to get these clips. Gonna need these. So once I've got these clips moved over, I'll just start putting it all back together. You don't need to see that, it is literally the reverse of removal, as it says so often in the Ains manual. So do that off camera, put the battery on, it's fully charged because I took it off the car, I don't know when, ages ago. I charged it up and it's been holding charge ever since, so I know the battery's good, and I'll come back to you when this is all done. So we're all buttoned up, got that hose on, that's secured there, that's all secured there, resonator's on and battery's on, so it's time for a start up. So it is time for the moment of truth. Well, it pretty much fired up on the button, but the problem needs to give it a bit of a road test. I'm not going to go far, just see if it runs any better, and if it doesn't, we've at least eliminated one more problem. Unfortunately it's no better when it's driving, but I did what I set out to do, and it's just one thing we can eliminate in the old process, because this intake, and if you can see it, where it's split, so that's never gonna work properly, so replacement was the only option. So just another thing left to eliminate, so I think it's going to be fuel pressure regulator or injectors, but that's for another video. So I hope you enjoyed this one, so please remember to like, subscribe, share, ring that notification bell, and you get notified when one of my videos comes out. Questions, comments, you might put on. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.